Hi, I'm Glyn Dewis and I want to let you know about my brand new book, The Photoshop Toolbox. Now, Photoshop is a huge piece of software that is constantly being updated, giving the user seemingly endless creative possibilities. But being such an incredible piece of software can also make it seem confusing and difficult to master. Now, the book is made up of 6 chapters where we start off going through the basics to fully understand layers, and then we move on to layer masks, brushes, blend modes, there's some bonus content, and then a full tutorial bringing everything together in a complete retouch of an image from start to finish. You see, I believe that no matter how much bigger Photoshop becomes, at the heart of Photoshop are 3 things: layer masks, brushes, and blend modes. If we can learn to understand these 3 areas of Photoshop, the sky really is the limit. So that's the Photoshop Toolbox, available now.